friends, welcome back to Brintechno's cooking show. So today we are going to show you how to prepare the dhaba style or restaurant style masala fish fry. So today we are going to use mackerel fish to prepare masala, or what we call dhaba or restaurant style fish fry, and this is basically going to turn out very yummy and delicious. This goes well with the kulcha, naan, chapati, whatever you name it, folks. And yeah, folks, without further ado, let's see how to prepare this very yummy and delicious masala fish fry recipe. Oh, this stinks, mama. Keep it away. Yeah, so yeah, folks, let's begin the process. So folks, as you can see over here, we have taken bangode, or what we call mackerel, and to this we have given deep cut or incision. So the main reason of giving deep cut or incision is because whatever the masala we apply to this fish should directly suck inside the fish, which gives a very nice flavor and aroma, which turns out the fish very juicy and yummy. And now folks, the first we need to shallow fry the fish, and then we are going to prepare the masala. So folks, now first take a plate, and to this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and now to this goes half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and now to this goes half teaspoon of salt, and now to this goes 1 tablespoon of vinegar. So over here the vinegar gives nice and tangy flavor to the fish. And now folks, give a nice mix to all the ingredients what we have added. Over here, marination shouldn't be very running or light. It should be thick, as you can see over here, like a paste. Wow, check it out folks. And now if the paste is bit thick, add little of water. Yes, this much of water is sufficient, I guess. So yeah folks, as you can see over here, check out the consistency. The paste is neither too thick or running, it's medium like a paste, right mama? So now let's apply this masala to the fish one by one, nice and thoroughly. So folks, as you can see over here, we are done applying the masala to the fish. Wow, check it out folks. The masala has been evenly applied to all the fish. And now let the fish rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes so that all the masala should get properly sucked into the fish. And now let the fish rest for 15 to 20 minutes. So folks, meanwhile when the fish is peacefully resting, let's jump into the second process of preparing the masala. So now we have taken over here 12 Kashmiri red chilies, and now to this goes 8 garlic flakes, and now here goes a pinch of tamarind for the tangy flavor. If you want the fish masala to be more tangier, then you can add the more tamarind. And now here goes 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. And now here goes half teaspoon of jeera. And now folks, here goes 1 unevenly chopped tomato. And now folks, here goes the next mandatory ingredient, and that is the salt. So here we have taken a little bit of salt because we have already added the salt for the fish marination, or else if you add more salt then it will become saltier. And now folks, here goes quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. So here the turmeric is also a mandatory ingredient. It's because turmeric acts as an antioxidant and it's very good for health. So we are going to add the turmeric powder. And over here folks, the last and the final ingredient to prepare the masala is the vinegar. So over here we have taken 1 tablespoon full of vinegar. So folks, here is the quick run through before all these ingredients goes into the blender. So I hope you guys are clear about all the ingredients what we've added. And now let's prepare the masala. And as you can see folks, the masala is ready, and the masala paste looks very red and hot. As you can see over here, we haven't used any artificial colors, and this color has come from the red chilies what we have added folks. Wow, look at this. Yeah mama, you have to tell the folks what we are going to use today to prepare the recipe.
This is iron tawa is the main.
Yes, so we are going to use the iron tawa where you can find it normal street or the restaurant. We have just skipped the conventional way of preparing in the non-stick tawa. This tawa, whatever you prepare in this iron tawa, it comes out really yummy and delicious, isn't it, Mama?
Yeah, very tasty.
Yes, it comes out very tasty. So, and also this is healthier because this doesn't have a coating, and this iron tawa doesn't cost much. It costs just 500 to 550 rupees. You can find it in normal cookware or utensil store, Mama, right?
Yeah.
Yes. And now folks, it's been around 20 minutes. The fish has been well marinated, and now let's shallow fry the fish. Place the tawa on the stove, and to this we are going to add the coconut oil. So over here we are using the coconut oil because the coconut oil gives the nice flavor and aroma to the fish. So we are using adequate amount of oil to shallow fry the fish. I think this much of oil is sufficient. Let the oil get heated up, and then we'll place the fish on the tawa. And now folks, the one side has been properly fried, and now let's flip the fish. Oh, check it out folks, it has come out really good, right? So now let's flip all the fish, and then we'll place it in the As you can see over here, we are done flipping all the fish, and now let it fry for 2 to 3 more minutes on the other side, and then we'll remove the fish. And now folks, the fish has been well fried, and now let's transfer it to the plate. And now folks, to the same pan, add handful of curry leaves. Once the curry leaf starts popping up, add one finely chopped onion, and now fry the onion till it gets rid of the raw flavor. And now folks, once the onions are slight brown, now we are going to add the already prepared masala. And now folks, once you are done adding the masala, give a quick shot of a mix like this. And now as you can see here folks, the oil has started oozing out from the masala, and now let's add some water. So we have blended some water with the leftover masala, and that water we are going to use over here. And now this masala looks very creamy, right? And now let's give a quick shot of mix. And now folks, once the oil starts oozing out and the masala starts bubbling up, let's add the fish into the masala. Wow, check it out folks, the combination of the fried fish and the masala. It looks really amazing, right? Oh, wow. And now apply the masala on the fish one by one, nice and slowly. And now folks, once you are done applying the masala on the fish, let it rest on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll flip the fish. And now we are going to add some finely chopped onion for the crunchy bite. Wow, check it out folks, it looks so absolutely stunning, right? So the onion gives the crunchy bite to the fish, And now here goes some finely chopped coriander for the nice flavor and aroma. And wow, the presentation looks really stunning, right? And now folks, let's transfer the fish into the plate. Wow. And folks, while removing the fish from the tawa, just be careful or else it might break apart.